Cash out time for the CEO is finally here, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can link your withdrawal wallet address into your Hamsta Kombat Mining Bot. Either you want to use Binance, you want to use Bybit, or you want to use Telegram wallet. And at this moment I believe more withdrawal option will still be allowed. And take note, you cannot change your withdrawal option as at this moment, and we hope that later in the future this option will be available before the closing date for this withdrawal option. So without wasting much of your time, let's go. So first thing you have to do is to open your Hamsta Kombat mining application right on Telegram, and you should know that already. And then you just want to click on the airdrop down here. Once you click on the airdrop, it will take you straight up to this interface where you see the countdown, and as at this moment we have 12 days to the airdrop distribution. And when you scroll down, you will see airdrop allocation points, and then you will see the criteria for the airdrops. And what you want to do is to click on this withdrawal, and then you will see the list of the exchanges that is available right now. I'm sure more exchanges will still be listed right here, but for now what we want to focus on is the Binance exchange and the Bybit exchange. If you are in Nigeria, or if you are Nigerian, please and please avoid OKS exchange. Don't use OKS right now. So what you want to do is to, if you have a Binance account and you are verified on Binance, you can use Binance exchange. And if you have Bybit, maybe you don't have Binance, you have Bybit, you can use Bybit exchange. These two exchanges are good, are trustworthy, and they are safe in terms of fund security. So you can use either of the two, even if you use Telegram wallet. But then if you have two accounts that you are managing, then it is not advisable to use one exchange for two Hamsta Kombat accounts. So you have to use different exchange here. So now let's go with Binance. Click on Binance, and then you will see, do you have a Binance account? If you have a Binance account, click yes. And if you don't have Binance account, you can click let's create it. Then it will take you to the registration form, but I already have Binance account, so I will just click on yes, I have it, and it will take you straight up to this place where you see Hamsta deposit address, this deposit address, and here is memo. So let's go and get our Hamsta deposit address. So open Binance, and then in the search bar, or just click on this deposit, and then you click deposit crypto. Then you just search HMST. Then you will see Hamsta Kombat. Click on it, and of course it's Stone network. Then both memo and an address required to successfully deposit your Hamsta to Binance. Click OK. Then you just have to copy this address, and then you copy the memo as well. Go back to your Telegram, and then we already copied the address. I will just paste my address, and down here I will also paste the memo, and it's as simple as that. So if I want to go with Hamsta Kombat, I'll just click on save and choose. You have to take note of this. You can, as at this moment, there is no option for you to change your withdrawal option. So once you click save, then I'm very sure that for now there is no option to change it. So think before you do this, and then go with your choice. And I have already made up my mind that I'm going with Binance this time around. The last airdrop, which is on dogs, I go with Bybit, but now I decided to go with Binance. You might want to wait a little bit to see what these exchanges have in stock for their new users, or users who will be using the exchange to claim the airdrop. But then, irrespective of the announcement or the offer, I have decided to go with Binance this time around because it is my favorite exchange. So I'll just click on save and choose, and then you just have to wait for the request processing. And I believe the delay is as a result of more traffic, so we should expect more traffic this time around. So basically, this is the process you have to follow if you want to use Binance as your withdrawal option. If you want to use your Bybit account to receive your token, all you want to do is to simply click on Bybit exchange right here, and here if you already have a Bybit account, there is no need to create a Bybit account. There's no need for you to create another Bybit account. You only need one Bybit account to do this. So just click on yes, I have it, and these are the things that you need to submit before you can actually use Bybit. You need Bybit UID, you need Hamsta deposit address, and you need the memo. So let's go and get all these details right now. And there is still a lot of time for you to do this. You still have from now till September 21st. So let's go to our Bybit and make sure that your Bybit account is fully verified already. And then you just have to click on this icon right here, and here you will see your username, you will see your UID, and then make sure that you are verified and copy this. Now I will advise you to copy it one after the other, because I received a message this morning. The person is telling me that he swapped the UID and the demo, he swapped it together. So don't make that mistake. I've always told you that you have to be patient whenever you are doing any task like this. Any mistake can cost you your money here in crypto space. So just paste this. That's for the Bybit UID. Then go back, and if you know your way around, all these things will not be a problem for you. Go back to your Bybit. Then here you just have to click on deposit. You click on deposit crypto, and here in the search bar you search for Hamsta, but I have already done that. So you just search for HMLT app. Then you will see it just like this. Click on it, and then of course you have to select Tor network. Click OK. Then you copy the wallet address and you copy the tag and memo. It is very compulsory you do that. Then go back here, and here you paste in your wallet address, and then here you paste in the memo. Then if you want to use Bybit, then you just click save and choose. But then I'm not using Bybit. Remember, I will be using Binance for a good reason. So that's how you do that. And please, if you are a Nigerian, avoid using OKS totally. Even if you have 3 accounts, don't use OKS. And if you want to use Telegram wallet, you simply have to click on connect wallet, and then this will connect your wallet. You know how you do the normal tax now, so this shouldn't be new thing to you. And then if you want to use on-chain airdrop, so this means that if you want to receive your wallet, your token in your Tonkeeper, MyTon wallet, and the likes, or BitGet wallet, then this is a perfect place for you to come. And what you want to do is to just we have already done this before. So if you are still seeing this, you don't have to disconnect it, you don't have to touch anything, just leave it the way it is. But if you want to receive your token using this wallet, you just have to click on set as default. But if you don't want to receive your airdrop here, your Hamsta Kombat airdrop here, then go and link your exchange wallet. That is everything you need to know about Hamsta Kombat airdrop. This is a full guide on how you can connect any wallet, any withdrawal wallet to your Hamsta Kombat application or mining bot. So if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like this video, share it for more tappers to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out for now.